Hello and welcome to the Vercammen Law Office Legal Podcast. This edition we're looking at criminal cases in New Jersey, in particular the case of State versus Cortes. Here, Cortes appealed his conviction for aggravated manslaughter pursuant to a plea deal. The defendant bought marijuana from a dealer, was robbed shortly thereafter, and believed the dealer was responsible and fired a handgun into a car owned by the dealer. The dealer's mother was in the car and was killed. The defendant asserted he did not know there was anyone in the car due to the car's dark tinted windows. The defendant signed a Miranda form and signed consent to search forms for his apartment, vehicle, and cell phone. The defendant then invoked his right to remain silent after talking with the officers. The victim died days after the shooting. The police then served defendant with an amended complaint, and defendant made statements to them. At court, the defendant moved to suppress his statements, and the trial court granted the motion in part. The defendant pled guilty, then moved to withdraw his guilty plea on the basis of ineffective assistance of counsel and colorable claim of innocence. The trial court denied the motion. The defendant appealed with a free state public defender. The defendant argued the trial court erred in omitting his statement to police because his Miranda waivers were invalidated by the officer's misrepresentations of law and promises of leniency. The court, though, found defendant's waiver was made knowingly and intelligently. The trial court did not abuse its discretion, denying defendant's motion to vacate his plea, and the defendant failed to demonstrate his counsel was ineffective. So this is the case of State versus Cortes. For other information on criminal charges and defenses to criminal cases, visit website njlaws.com. And for representation, contact Ken Vercammen's office in Edison at 732-572-0500. Thank you.